Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Barbie makeup collection. Um, I just got this today on the mail and I couldn't wait to make a video for you guys and show it to you guys and try some of the makeup. I'm really excited. I know this has been out for a while already, but once I saw the packaging and everything, I was like, oh my god, it's gorgeous and I just really wanted to have it. So I hope you guys like this video and stay watching. Thank you. So one of the things that I got was the brushes, and it's this one right here. Let me see. I'm excited. The packaging is so beautiful. I don't know, I really love it. So let's see if I could open it up. Okay, I finally got it. Damn, this was hard to open. Okay, so here they are. I just love the packaging. It's really pretty, and oh my god, look, this is really pretty. And it has the little Barbie imprint right there. And this is how the brushes look. I'm in love with this packaging. It's really beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. That's so pretty. I just really like it a lot. Well, I guess I'll take them out of the package since I'm gonna be using those ones for today. And then I also got this one right here, and this is the brush too, but this is a bigger one, and I'm not sure, but I think this is for the foundation. Let me see. See, and then it has the Barbie right there. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And I like the way it feels. It's really soft. I really like it. And this is how it looks. I really like it. It's really pretty. And the other thing that I got is the palette that I thought it was really pretty. So, and it has the names on the back and everything. So I just thought this one was really beautiful. I love the colors. And this is how it looks. I just love all the detail that it has. It's like, it's so pretty. So, sorry. And this is how it looks. So pretty. I love the colors. I see myself wearing these colors often because it's more wearable for any day. So I really like them. So I'm gonna try the palette first. This one's right here. This one. Let's see how that one goes. That's a lot. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. That's a really pretty color. Hope you guys could see it. Then I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see. That's pretty. Mm. And then I'm gonna try to put let me see. Right here, just a little bit. Right here. And I'm gonna put this one right here. I'm gonna get it with my fingers and just try to put it there. I don't know if you guys can see. I love the color. Oh, I love these colors. And then I'm just gonna go a little bit again with this one. Just on like on the right here. I like this color. And then I'm gonna go a little bit with this one right here. Like on the right here. You guys can see. Oh, I love that color. Then I'm gonna go in with the, I think this is named Ken, I think. This one right here. So I'm gonna go in with that one on the bottom. Like that. I got this collection on their website, the Pur something. This one right here. I got it on the website and they have everything discounted for right now. And then I think they have this where you buy 2 things and they give you 1 for free. Buy 2, 1 for free. So that's how I ended up getting most of it. I didn't get either 1 or 2 things of the collection, but I ended up getting most of it, so I'm happy for that. Now I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm just gonna go like this. Like that. And then I'm just gonna try to make everything on the top blend. Like right here. I like it. I'm gonna get a little bit of this one right here. And I'm just gonna try to put a little bit right here. And just bring it down. Like that. And this is how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the other eye and then put the rest of the stuff, and then I'll come back with the rest of the stuff. Okay, I'm back. I finished everything else. Right now I'm gonna try the blush. It's so pretty. There it is. And this is it. I like the colors. The only thing is that since they're all together, it's not since they could mix, and I don't like that, but I still like them. Okay, I'm gonna use this one right here. I'll go in with this one right here. Let's see that one. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. It's a lot though. I like the color though. Oh, that's pretty. You guys can see. Oh, they feel so nice. I like them. Okay. I like the color. Put this one to the side, and I also got this one right here, and this is the Confident Glow. I like it. Okay. Oh, yeah. I just think all the packages are so pretty because all the details and everything, and the colors. Ooh, look. That's so pretty. Ooh. I don't know which one to try first. Let me see. Or should I mix them? Okay, I'll try this one first. And then if I see the this. Oh, can you guys see that? Oh, that's pretty. And that's the little, this one's a little pink one. It's pink. Let me see the other. Let me just fix that one. Okay, I'm gonna try. It's hard because they're like really close to each other. So I'm gonna do the other one right here. And I'm just gonna go like this. Oh, that one's pretty too. I think I like this one more. You see? I like this one too, but I like this color better. So I think I'm just gonna mix a little bit of this one over here, like that. Oh, that's pretty. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this one, just a little bit, right here, just to make it even, because if not, it's gonna look all weird. But I love the colors. The colors are really, so I like both, but I think the golden color, I think it looks nice. I like it more. Okay. Oh, no. My bad. I forgot to put it in. So I'm gonna mix a little bit of both right there. I'm gonna put a little bit right here, and just like that. And then I'm just gonna like that, and a little bit right here. Like this. I like the colors. I like it. What else? Oh, I got the 3 lipsticks and the glosses, both of them. So I'm gonna try this one's first and see how they look, and then from there. So it's like that, and I love it how this opens. That's so pretty. Oh my god. I think this one I would wear more on top of something, because I don't think I just could use it just like this. No. I like it though. But to have it for I wanted to go. There it goes. And then the other one is this one right here. And I don't know, do they have different names? Oh, but this one's darker. I like this one. Let's see how it looks. And same. Still. It's like lips, right? Yeah. That's so cute. Yeah, this one I like this one more than the other one. I still like the other one, and they have a really nice scent to it. I like this one. This one I would wear it by itself. That was loud. I like it. It's Trailblazer, something like that. I have to learn the names before I even. Oh, look. Ay, this is so pretty. And then it has the little Barbie right there. And this one, oh my god. You can see. That looks so nice. This is how the color looks. Oh no. Let's see how this one looks. I actually like it. I didn't think, oh, there's no Barbie, no. I thought it wasn't gonna give me like a color, but it gives it like pink, brownish. I like the color. I actually like it. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I think it's not gonna give me a color. Because one time I bought a color like this, and it felt like I was just wearing foundation on it, my lips, and I was like, no. I like it. Okay. The next one is gonna be Innovator. I don't know if you guys can see the name. Oh my god. Pretty. Oh, this one it's so pretty, the color, but look how it came. I don't know if you guys can see. But I still like the color. Let's see how it looks. put it more here because I feel like it's moving. It feels like it's moving to the side. I don't know if you guys could see that. Let's see. I hope it won't break. I don't know if you guys can see it. I like both. So far I cannot say, "Ooh, this is my favorite," because I actually like both of them. So I don't know. I just love it. And this one is more red with orange, I think. I don't know. What do you guys think? It looks really nice. I don't know. Normally I don't wear this type of colors, but let's see. Here it is. I like the color. It's just normally I don't wear this color type of color, but this one I like. What do you guys think? It's different. I really like this color too. Another thing that I got was this one right here. I just thought it was so cute, and I know I wanted to try. So I'm just gonna put a little bit right here, and that's it. Oh, it smells good. So you guys can see it. It's Forever Glow Illuminating Scented Body Powder with Applicators Puff. So it's just gonna be. Oh, I have to take everything out. Oh my god. You guys saw that? Wow. Okay. So I got a little bit. Wow. Let me see. So it's gonna go like. Look at my hands. Alright. I don't know if you guys could tell. Or if I need more. I think I'm just gonna take this off. No, I don't think you guys like. No. Let me see if I could get it on my hand for you guys to see it right here. There a little bit, I think. Let me see if turning this off. No. Well, over here, it's a lot of glitter. The really tiny ones, and it looks really pretty. And it smells really good. I just love the smell. I just don't know what it smells like. Okay. So this was the other thing I got. And I think the last thing I got was the mist. And let me see. It's just disappointing you guys couldn't really tell. But oh well. It's pretty. Look. My hair's all messed up now. Look. This is so pretty. You guys can see. I need to mix it. I'm actually afraid to use this one because I think videos where YouTube videos where it's just like somebody's bit. So hopefully that doesn't happen. I'm mixing it though. Okay, so I'm afraid. Okay, so I know it's not like that. There you go. You guys heard that, right? Right there. And then you just twist it and it's right there. And then I don't know if I spray it first and then see. Okay, then I twisted it again. I'm confused. Okay. Alright. Oh, there you go. Wow. It didn't give me the sign of something. I'm nervous. Okay. Let me turn back lower it down a little bit. Right there. So I'm gonna close my eyes for this. Wait. Okay. It wasn't that bad. I actually liked it. I thought it was gonna, well, I don't know how you guys, I didn't see, I closed my eyes. So hopefully it wasn't that bad. Me not going all crazy. I guess, let me see. No. This way? Yeah. Now I felt it a little bit more wet. I don't know. And I just love it. It looks like those perfumes from back in the day. I like it. So pretty. Okay, so those were all the stuff that I got. So far, I said I like. I don't know. No, I don't know if I say it a lot or not, but I like all the items that I got, and I don't know. This one was the most that I was afraid of, because I heard more that, oh, it's like a spit on your face, but for me, I don't know. I guess because I always put like a whole bunch in the end, I didn't filter that much, but I actually like it. I thought it was really nice. What else? The brushes. Oh my god, they were so nice, and they're so soft. I really like them, and the detail they have is like really nice. I really like them. They're so soft, and then the packaging, like, I was gonna drop it. And then this, like, I don't know, I really like it. Let me see. You see? And they all fit in there. Really nice like this. And I just think it's really cute. And I like it that I could see them from right here. Like, I could see the inside. And that's, I don't know. I really like them. The other thing that I like this a lot. If the scent was really nice. It's just, I don't know. I don't know if you guys were able to see it on camera, but it's really nice in person. So I really like it. especially the scent was really nice. Okay, the other things that I like was the lipsticks. Oh my god, I'm in love with them, especially the way it opens, like just by that, it was really nice. And then you just do that, and I was like, I don't know, for me that was really nice. The colors, for me the colors were really nice. um they all, like this one, normally I wouldn't wear it, like I wouldn't wear this type of color, but I liked it. And the other colors are the type of colors that I would wear, and they both were really nice. So that's really good for me because I really like all three of them. The other two, this one's right here, I like both of them, but I like this one more because it gives you a little bit of the color on your lips. Not that much, but it gives you a little bit of a color. But the other one, oh, and I like the way it opens. And the other one, I like it too. I guess I could use that one with, I could put a lipstick on. If it's like too matte, I could put a little bit of the other one on top, and it's good to go. What else? Oh, the highlighter, the glow, I really liked it. It was really nice. What can I say? um I love the packaging especially, and I love it that it came like this and it had the little Barbie right there. I love both of the colors, but for me this color right here was better than this one. I liked it more. You can see, but if you put them both together, it's really nice too. I really like it. Like, it's a really pretty one. So I really liked it too. What other thing? Oh, okay. The blushes. This one right here. Again, love the packaging. Really pretty. And I only got to try this one right here. I think, yeah, it was this one right here. And I really like the color. I'm gonna be trying the other colors later on and see how they all different. I just this one I liked. It was really pretty and I really liked it. So really good. I like it. Nothing bad to say about it. Like, I really like. And then the palette. Oh my god, the palette. I don't know. Let me see. I love the colors. The colors were really nice. I don't know. I really like it. Those are colors that you could wear like every day. This color, I really like that they put this color in because, like, I did it right here. I could put it under it and it gives it like a pop. It pops. Like, I liked it a lot. So for me, I'm in love with this palette. I love the colors. It's really pretty. And I love the design. Like, the way it looks, it's really pretty. So this is another thing that I like. To be honest, I didn't, there was not even one single thing that I didn't like. I like all of the stuff. So if you guys have it and you guys like the collection, I don't know, I like, for me it was really, I enjoyed it, everything. It was really nice, and the packaging was really, really nice. So I do recommend it, and hopefully you guys give it a shot. And if you guys have it, comment down below if you guys want, and let me know what you guys thought about the collection. That's all I have to say. Hopefully you guys like the look I came out with, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And I don't know, that's it for me, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. I guys, all right, guys. I'll see you guys next time, man. Bye, you guys.